this Vit wax strips with easy grip. So, natakot ako pero normals yan. Kasi hindi na nakapag-shave. So, normal skin, shea butter, and berry fragrance. Effective on short hair. So, it has 12 wax strips. So, sige. And, here's the directions. May directions naman siya sa back. So, nakabahan ako. Kaya ko to.
Before I use into shaving, nagsashave ako. So, without further ado, let's try. Kasi kakabahan talaga ako. Nakaliligo ko lang, so perfect kasi. So, 5 steps before using Vic. Please read back pack precautions carefully. So, okay, number 1, take out the double wax strip and rub it between your hands to make the strip easy to separate. Carefully peel up. So, may instructions naman siya dito basically. So, na-open ko na siya. So, it has instructions again. Isa kinakabahan ng parang and then, I'm wearing my kaligi ko pala. So, and then it has 12. Oops, what's this? It has 12. What's this? Ito perfect finish wipes. So, wipes lang siya. It has 2 wipes inside. Like that. And then, ito yung wax strips niya. So, it is 12 wax strips. So, yan. So, 1 and 2. So, 2. So, I think it's 6. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yeah, so, I just need this one. And then, nauban talaga ako. So, I get it na. So, ito yung basically yung wax strips niya. And makita nyo nun sa wax strips. Ayan, no? So, number 1, I have to rub it. Just it shows like that. Rub it like that. So, mas madaling matanggal yung strips. And then number 2, you're just gonna peel like that. Peel. I don't know if I can see it. So, peel natin sa round edges. So, here you go. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Okay. So, and then I'm gonna apply it na. So, you're just gonna apply. Then, sticky siya. So, yeah. So, careful. And then, so, yeah. Sticky. So sticky. So I'm just gonna apply it sa directions ng hair ng aking underarm. So first pababa lang. Actually malaki pa siya, so just gonna I can do this all by myself. All by myself. Don't wanna live. Oops. So yan. Wait lang. So yan. Just gonna adhere lang daw. Tapos just gonna pull this against the growth of the hair. So pataas. Yung pull ko kasi yung tubo ng hair is pababa, right? So I don't know if it works kasi this one is for for wax strips lang. So try ko lang siya. Tingnan natin if this works out. Look it! Wala naman dito. Let's try, diba? Naman masama. So rub it. Rub it talaga ng ano. So in my case, wala akong assistant. Si paano kayo? So I think it's na. Oh my gosh, tayo. As quickly as possible pag naligit na. So I think I'm ready. Kailangan na naka-adhere. I'm ready. Do I look ready? Kaya ko to. Pak, ganun. Tumigit ka na.
To use this perfect, what's this? Perfect finish wipes. So, malagkit. So, siya. And then, just that it doesn't have. So, just gonna wipe it. Super lagkit eh. Oh. Wow. So, actually, it's my first time to use Vit kasi kita. na yung ano ko eh. So, this is my second attempt on my right armpit. So, yeah. So, let's see what happens.
Super tot. Yan. So this is my first attempt to do a review. Kaya pagbigyan nyo na. Mag-improve pa naman tayo dyan. So yan. And then, wait lang. So, ang technique dito is you're just gonna, and medyo tricky to kasi nga, I'm right-handed, so, ang hirap. Tsaka yung pagka, as quickly as you can, sobra. Kasi, akala ko hindi mo pull yung hair, kasi akala ko hindi didikit. Pero dumikit, ang galing lang. So, yan. This is may tignan ko kung kailan tutubo yung hair ko. So, feeling ko okay na siya. Cover up na. Come on. I don't know if I can do this
Alone. Just gonna wait as quickly as possible. So, ready? At the count of 3. So, at the count of 3. You ready, guys? I'm ready. I'm ready. Oops. 1, 2, 2.5, 3. Oh my god, I can't pull it up. Oh my gosh, wait lang. Sa kabilang ma-deliver dito, nahirapan ako kasi right-handed talaga ako. So, 1, 2, 3. What? Ouch! Ouch! Atay. Sorry, guys. Oh my god. So painful. But I can't bear. Actually, kaya ko naman. Wait lang Ouch. Ayan. Hindi siya redness na yun nakikita niyo. Parang, siya, kasi, she and butter and berry fragrance. So, parang pink yung niya. So, yan. So, dito sa sa right arm ko, kasi nga, right-handed ako. So, hindi ko talaga siya na-pull ng super, unlike sa left, mega force talaga. Pero dito, hindi. Pero okay lang, sobrang mabibilang ko lang yung ilang buhok na natira. So, pwede ko naman siyang i-tweezer. Kasi naman siya eh. Pero wow, maganda talaga. So, pwede kayo magpatulong sa hobby niya talaga kung medyo, pero okay lang. Ayan. So happy I did it myself. Oh my gosh. Look at this, guys. That it is. Yan, yung mga hair ko. Guys, thank you guys for watching, and this is my first product review. So yun, sa kilikili. So kasi nga dahil nga pregnant na ako, hindi na ako minsan I don't have time to yun, kasi yung sarili ko. So sabi ko, why not try DIY like this one with. So normally nagkaka-darken yung ibang like this underarm, nagkakasunakay naman ipakita, pero mas okay siya kasi talagang natanggal, lalo na dito sa aking left underarm, kasi nga mas right-handed ako. So yun lang, hindi dito talaga parang kailangan humingi ng tulong. So yung sa kumaga nandominahan mo, tapos igagano mo. So ang technique lang nito is you just gonna use this against your hair. So yung hair is like sa underarm, pababa yung tubo niya. So you're just gonna pull it up like as quickly as you can. So yes, painful siya of course kasi nga wax. What can you expect, diba? Pero bearable, of course bearable naman yung pain. So yeah, I will recommend this. And it's affordable. It's only, I think, I'm not sure, basta 170 ang nabili ko. Basta hindi siya lagpas ng 200. I bought it in the Watson. So kasi nga I'm expectant parent and first time mom, so I just have to make tipid-tipid and use money wisely for my baby. So di pa ako nanganak, so yun, so affordable and it's easy to use, so thumbs up. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next product review. And please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and give it a thumbs up if this video helps you. So thank you guys.